Okay, so this is the sixth part in a six-part series, last part, and it's going to look at the CSS style of fixed positioning. Okay, so if you we did one on basic, z-index, absolute, floats, clears, and now we're going to do the fixed positioning. If you want to see the rest of these in this six-part series, just go to youtube.com/ocdigitalarts and you can check it out from there. So let's go ahead and start by taking the HTML file we used in our last lesson, and let's use one box called box 12. Okay, so what I mean by box 12 is we're going to change the ID to be box 12. And what we're going to do is after this box, I'm going to add some paragraph information. So several paragraphs. I'm just going to paste it all in there. This is just some Latin, some lorem ipsum. This is some regular text in there. Here's a paragraph, but the rest is just filler information. So if I want to see what that looks like in design view, there's my box and just paragraph text afterwards. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a positioning of fixed on this box. So as we scroll through text, you can see that box will just stay in its position. It will not move upward and out of the screen. All right, so div ID equals box 12, and then a bunch of paragraph information at the end of that ending div tag. Don't put the paragraph inside the div tag. All right, so now let's go. Oh, before we do that, let's change our file name. File, save as, and let's call this fixed. Right, and let's change the title. So go up to the top here, change the title to fixed. All right, save that, and let's go look at the style information. And we're going to create a ID box 12. So I'm just copy 11 over here and make this box 12. You know, actually I'm going to copy 10. Doesn't really matter, but well, wait. I'm going to copy 9 because I like the purple box. And name this box ID 12 and take off the float left. Okay. So now if I look at it the way it is now, right? And I go in there to live view and design, it's just going to follow the end of the box, and as I scroll up and out of the screen, it moves off the box. So now if I go to the styles sheet, and I'm going to add a position, okay, of fixed. And by doing just that, save that. Whoops, remember to turn live off. And go into design view of my live website. Now look how it behaves. Now notice that the box stays fixed according to its paddings, margin. Now the reason it has some space up there at the right, I mean at the top and at the left, is because of its margins. And yeah, it just stays in there. So that's the last part of our six-part series. That you can check all 6 of these out on youtube.com/ocdigitalarts. Thanks for viewing.